Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Being Guru Electrical channel. This is Mujib Raza with you. Today we will discuss how we can understand an electrical drawing. So before going to start the video, if you are new on the channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on notification by clicking the bell icon. So now let's start. So on the screen you can see a drawing. It is a layered drawing. If you want to understand what are the different types of drawing, so there is already an video on this. You can find the link in the top right corner. So now in this drawing we will see how we can understand an electrical drawing. So in this drawing we have this square type light fitting with mention A. So this is type A light fitting. There are different types of lighting. So this is type A. This is a square arrangement with 4 fluorescent lamps. This is 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 light fitting and 4 light fitting here. So now you can see here A plus E. A plus E means this is type A light fitting with emergency power. So in case of any power failure, this light will continue glowing. Then you can see green line and blue line and this sign line. So blue line is for the power of emergency, is like emergency power. It may be from the UPS or it may be from standalone battery. Light blue line is for the switches. It's coming to the switch. We have a switch with the door. So from the switch we have one connection going to this looping of the circuit and one blue line is going here. If you turn on one switch, all the lights will turn on. So if any switch is on, all the lights will turn on because it's already connecting in a loop. Let's see this toilet area lighting. So in the toilet we have one switch and this switch is controlling this type D light fitting. This is different type of light. This is, you can see this is wash basin, so it is above the wash basin, so means it's mirror light. So this is type D, it's mirror light. Then we have this round type light. It mentions C plus E, so it's type C with emergency lighting. Then we have this C lighting. So this, if you can see, it's the power is coming from type D lighting to this, and it is controlled by this switch. So this is how we can understand electrical drawing. Now these are the legends in the drawing. We have legends area in which we define what is type C and what is type C plus E light fitting. So C is 12 watt recessed LED downlight, IP54 weatherproof. Then we have C plus E. It is same LED 12 watt recessed downlight with emergency backup kit, 3 hours backup. Now this C type D is 13 watt LED mirror light. So this is how we understand, we read electrical drawings. So if you have any question, you can put your question or queries in the comment section down. Thank you and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.